Hi, I'm Guangyuan Zhao. I'm glad to introduce our work of neurolithography. This is a joint work with Cheng and Peter from MIT. Lithography systems from various manufacturers have applications in printing semiconductor chips and optical devices. How to digitalize a real-world lithography system? The conventional method models lithography system in a white box manner, but it lacks adaptivity and fidelity. So our first contribution is to use real-to-sim gray box modeling of photolithography system. It will incorporate process data paths. Our second contribution is to close the design to manufacturing gap of computational optics by co-optimizing the design and manufacturability. We show that our method achieves improved results in the downstream tasks such as computational holography and computational imaging. Please come to our poster and know more. Thank you.